In today's video, let's talk about on how to fix TikTok drafts disappeared. Welcome back to this new video, everyone. Now, before we try to solve this issue, the first thing that you need to understand is that if you have recently uninstalled the application or switched your device or even have logged out of the current TikTok account, this is the exact reason the drafts are missing. So if you have done one of these things, that's likely caused this issue because all drafts are stored locally on your device, and once you do one of these things, those drafts will be removed permanently. So if you have done this, there's no way that you can recover the drafts that you have made. But however, if this is not the case for you, and if you haven't done any of these things, then what you need to do is try to clear the app cache within the application. So just head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy, scroll down and head over to free up space, and then just tap on the clear option. Make sure you tap clear on the first option and not on the second option, which is download. So just tap on clear again. Make sure you remove the TikTok from the recent app list. Try to open up the app again and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still persists, the other thing that you can also try out is try to update the application. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for TikTok, and make sure you update the application. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix this error. I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.